Okay, we found a yarn shop. And this is it. So it's like a high street kind of a thing. And each shop is just like a single unit. But we saw this online. I was like, yes, that's a yarn shop. Because normally when they're called a yarn shop, it's actually for sewing. But this, it's a yarn shop. And look at all the colours and a really miserable hunter. So this is what they normally have in the sewing shop. Crochet set.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hunter got all excited all of a sudden. He sees crochet sets and he's excited. You're so weird. So the first thing that I'm trying to find, and there isn't any, is hand dyed. So this is all branded stuff. Now one thing I've got to remember is to get blue for a certain person, but apart from that, it's just being nosy and seeing what is. See? There. So we have, oh, cotton. Look, oh. My favourite colour. It's nice, it's pretty. There's no prices on anything, which really worries me. But we will find out soon. Oh, look at the blanket. Look, we've got chenille. Now this, I've seen this on like Temu and AliExpress. Okay, so I'm gonna disappear because I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna buy. 30 grams, 7,500.
Yeah.
50 grams, 10,000. 90 grams, 16,000. So I need your calculating brain. So according to Hunter, what he's saying is that the 90 grams with a demonstration of this cake, this is less than £1. Less than £1. Now I don't know if that counts for everything in here. I don't know, but I'm gonna guess it does. Yeah. So I could get a couple of bits in here, I think. So I'm gonna go and do that. So I will see you later. Bye bye. Oh, they let me at the back. They got all excited because I've grabbed a couple of bits that I don't know how I'm going to get on the airplane, but they let me near the back so that I can take a closer look. And I think I know what I'm going to get. So that's that.